Are you tired running a bunch of commands on separate terminals where you have to loop through all the terminals to either find what you're looking for, or either you want to check what was the output on a certain terminal so that you run it on a different terminal? So I've got a solution for you in this video. So let's get started. So once you open up a terminal like mine, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to improve your performance on the terminal. So the tool I'm talking about is called Tilix, like that, as you can see. So Tilix is a multiplex tool that you can use. So as you can see now, we have this new window open. Okay, so meaning I can minimize the previous one and we can maximize this new one. So as you can see, you'll be like, why is it only one? So here, this is the key. So as you can see, I've got these two icons, meaning I can add a terminal. As you can see, they're now side by side, and I can also add a terminal at the bottom of this one. And when I make this active, I can add another terminal on the bottom one. So now we've got 4 different terminals right now. So meaning we can run independent commands on each one and seeing what is the output. So let's say you are running some heavy loads and you want to make sure while you're doing that you also monitor your PC performance. So meaning maybe on this terminal on our right, you want to run something like htop, so that you want to see your PC performance, as you can see from there. Then from here, let's say for example, you want to make sure that maybe the server is running, so you want to ping, let's say, whatever the server is, for example. Okay, so now we have 2 different things running at the same time. Same thing, we can also run something else as well, which is, okay, so let's say that's a tool I want to run as well from there. Okay, so now as you can see, you've got different options, and this is not the limit at all. So you have a lot of tabs or terminals you can open under one screen, and also you can create sessions as well. So meaning you can click that additional sign, and as you can see, I've got a new terminal as well. I can also do the same thing for this one, and I can start running commands as well. Like that, I can run a command there, and also I can switch between the two just by clicking the drop down or clicking on the actual thing and then clicking the session I want. So as you can see, all these are running at the same time, and I can see whatever the output was, let's say from this, and I can see, oh, my server is also running, my system is performing well, and here this is where I need to check for my, maybe if the file is downloaded, and then I just cd into downloads, do an ls, and then, oh yeah, the file is there. So this is a way you can improve your performance on the terminal without you opening up different types of terminals. And I've linked the video, and also it's up here, so that can help you understand how this tool works and how to install it. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit notifications so that you don't miss any time I release a new video. See you in the next one.